Hey, happy holidays everybody. We have a quick report here. A couple of outlets like Screen Rant and MovieWeb have published what could possibly be a teaser trailer description for Han Solo: A Star Wars Story. The description was published on Reddit by a user named Rissick and reads as follows. Not much, but here's a rundown of what I caught a glimpse of. There's more obviously, but this was the big stuff. Han walking. Angle only shows his holstered blaster. Wookiees getting transferred somewhere. Planet looked new, never seen it before. Shot from behind of Han approaching a large crowd surrounding a table of something. Close-up of Han's dice. There's like one shot of Woody's character, but it was in a dark alley area and he looked paranoid. Han doing his yee-hoo yell and the Falcon going through light speed. Chewbacca roaring and running next to Han. Somebody says, "It's not worth the risk." Pretty sure Lando says it. There's a cut to black and somebody says, "I'll make him pay." And there's a huge long rifle on a table with some armor piece next to it. Didn't see much of Game of Thrones' chick's character. There's a This Summer title card that shows right after a glimpse of a handful of stormtroopers walking down an alley. I have a couple of takeaways. One, this feels very vague and a bit surprising that if this is in fact the teaser trailer description, I wonder why it wouldn't be attached to Star Wars The Last Jedi. You know, my mind goes like, is the production under Ron Howard that tight that a teaser hasn't really been ready until now? Are they planning on moving the release date from May 25th to August or something? But, you know, that's just speculation on my part. Second, it'll be nice to see footage, whether this description is true or not. I really want to see where it is that they're going with the Han Solo movie, and so seeing any bit of footage being released by Disney, whether this is in fact a teaser trailer or not, will just be nice to see. But what do you guys think? Do you think that this description is real? And how do you feel about some of these outlets that are running with things straight from Reddit? Let me know down in the comments below. Please subscribe so that you're notified in your newsfeed when the next video is uploaded. Please remember to give this video a like and share it about. Help support this channel through Patreon and using any of the affiliate links in the description below. You people are awesome, as always. And thanks for watching.